Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video today I'm going to show you how to delete the Lego.com account. So let's get into the video. So open up the website and then log into your account firstly. So you need to be logged in so that you can delete your account. So just open up Lego and log into your account. So once you have logged in here, so hit on your account on top here, just click on your account option. Just click on it. So once you've clicked on your account option, underneath here on your left side menu you'll see personal and address details there. So just click on it, and then once you click on here you'll see an option called Lego account details. So simply open that up, hit on it, and then once you hit on it here, this will open up this option here. So what you're going to do now, you're on your profile here, edit profile option. So here simply select security, select the security option here. So once you have select security here, underneath you'll see an option called delete account. So if you want to delete your account, simply click on delete account, and then it's going to ask you for your username and everything will be pop up here. And if you really want to delete it, so you just need to confirm and hit on yes delete, and that will delete the account permanently for you. So that's how you can delete an account on Lego.com. It's pretty easy, and I hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.